It's really important just to open up this dryer quickly and just do a wipe down of this seal here. Well, for one, so the next tenants aren't dealing with all the other person's nastiness from before, because you can see it's not just dirt, it's all kinds of things. That could be a tampon string, who knows, but we want to get this just vacuumed. You can just vacuum it real quick. While you're vacuuming the rest of the floor, just go and it's done. But very important, because otherwise this just falls all over the floor and is disgusting.